Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to select or how to change the content preference language on your Xiaomi Google TV. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the content preference on your patchwork in your Xiaomi Google TV. So first of all, just go on the top section and just go moving to the side. You just need to go inside the setting option. After clicking on the setting option, here you have this option called content language. Click on this, and here you can just select the language. For an example, I just can choose English, Tamil, and which language you just stated, you can just choose the content language. So this is a personalized up to 4 selected content language is available. So you can just select up to 4 languages, and this is how you just change the content language, or you can just customize your content language on your Xiaomi Google TV. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet in the next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.